What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders, doing some end of the day scans today on September the 15th. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol SHLL on the hourly chart over the last 20 days. And this ticker has been getting a lot of attention lately. There is a merger coming up that was scheduled to be voted on, I believe, on the 28th, so in about 2 weeks. And overall, I wanted to go over the chart and to see if there's any technical patterns we can play for a profit. So in the past, as you can see, we had some nice volume come in here, and with this volume became a bull pull, and then the price went into a sideways consolidating fashion right about here until the volume came in once again, pushing the price up higher, up to new highs around 58.66. And of course, the stock did pull back and has now gone into another consolidating pattern. I'm going to go into that one as well. So as you can see, there is some support right about here at the $46 area, and price has dropped below it momentarily, but pretty much over the most part of this, it has stayed above it. And then the price is also putting in lower highs, creating a downward trend when connecting through like this. So now we have a triangle pattern forming. Triangle patterns tend to be a continuation pattern, meaning they're going to continue the overall trend. Now when we look at the trend in this timeline, you can see that the 50 SMA right here, the orange line, is on an upward incline. It has gone a little bit flat because of the consolidating price action and the range getting so tight here. But overall, the 200 SMA also is up in a pretty good incline fashion, showing me that the bulls pretty much are in control and have been in control of this price for a good amount of time. So what we're going to be looking for moving forward is we're going to be seeing this range get tighter and tighter, and we're going to be wanting to see this top trend line right here around the right now it's around the 49, and there's also the 50 SMA. And just a quick note about the 50 SMA and depending on its placement in correlation to the price itself. So when prices tends to be below an SMA, it can act as resistance, and when it is above it, it can act as support. So always think about that when trading. Always look at those key areas as possible support or resistance. Now moving back in, we're going to want to see this top trend line that's right around 49 break with an increase of volume at the same time. But me personally, I'm actually going to wait a little bit longer for the price to really go into it if I'm going to be trading a momentum buy on this. So I'm going to probably want the price to get past $50, that nice whole number of 50. And again, I'm going to want that to happen with an increase of volume. The volume is really going to be key. As you can see in the past, volume is king. When the volume is there, this price can move, and that's how we're going to make our money. Now, if the price does pull back a little bit more, like you can see right here, it does pull back down to 42. This does have some range on it. So if it does go below here and you're not already in it, that might be also another good area to look to enter around the 42. But like I said, I'm going to be looking for a breakout, more of a momentum trade with this. And for a price target, like I said, we can have some good range. So you could look at one of the top, the first price targets being right around this $54 area, taking maybe a quarter, 30%, half, whatever you like, or letting it all ride for future gains. Hopefully, me personally, I do like to shave off my positions in portions when I'm going, in long to make my gains farther than they can just be on one solid trade. So we're going to be looking for a first profit taking a 54, followed up by I'd say 56. And then if we can get past the all-time of 58.66, we can really see some movement. And just to make sure, I'm going to pull back on the chart on the weekly. Yeah, so this is all-time highs and whatnot. So, yeah, we're going to have to be looking at past ranges and how it can move. So on past breakouts, you can see it moving from 40 up to, we're going to say about 55, but I'm going to be a little bit more conservative and say this could be a $10 breakout area. So low 60s is another good area to look if 58 is broken. All right, traders. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button out. It helps me out a ton. And subscribe to the channel. We are posting these videos daily. And if you want to get in the chat room with us, you can. We are offering a free 30-day trial for 30 days. It is a 24/7 live chat room. You get to see our screens, our trade plans, our profit, our loss. You see it all. And we have some amazing traders in there. And a lot of traders just really improving their craft overall. You can find all the information for that and the details below. And if you want, follow us on Instagram, StockTwits, and Facebook. All right, traders, thank you for watching. And until next time, stay profitable.